Hola chicos, in this lesson I'm gonna talk about, and we're gonna keep talking about the negative of the verb gustar. Yeah, so I'm gonna explain you how to express that you don't like something, but in this case it's not gonna be just one thing, it's gonna be two things or two choices that you don't like it. Okay. So we're going to talk about the expression ni, that in English it will be neither nor. Okay? So let's start. As you know, in Spanish, to make the sentence negative, you simply add the word no before the verb. This case, as you have been working with the verb gustar, so you put the word no before the verb gustar. So if you're gonna say, I don't like to go camping, in Spanish you're gonna say, no me gusta ir de camping. No me gusta comer brócoli. I do not like to eat broccoli, or I don't like to eat broccoli. No me gusta ir de pesca. I do not like, or I don't like to go fishing. But how to express in Spanish when you don't like either two choices? As you say in English, I like neither dancing nor swimming. Yeah, like neither dancing nor swimming. How to express this in Spanish? You're gonna see. In Spanish, if we don't like either two choices, we are gonna use the verb no, or the word no before the verb gustar, the same, no me gusta, and then the word ni before each of the things you don't like. In this example, I don't like to watch TV, and I don't like to send a test. So it means there are two things I don't like it, yeah, or I don't like to do. So keep in mind that you're gonna use no before the verb gustar, no me gusta, and then the words ni before each thing. I don't like it. So ni mirar la tele, that is the first thing I don't like it, mirar la tele, ni mandar un texto. Okay, so I like neither to watch TV nor to send a text. Here, no me gusta ni estudiar ni ir de compras. Yeah? So, no before the verb gustar, ni before each thing I don't like. Ni estudiar, ni ir de compras. So, I like neither to study nor to go shopping. No me gusta ni trabajar ni ir a la escuela. No before the verb gustar, ni before each thing I don't like it. Ni trabajar ni ir a la escuela. So in English, I like neither to work nor to go to school. Okay, so we're gonna have a little quiz. Let's practice. So how do you say you don't like either to go camping or go shopping? A. Me gusta no ir de camping, no ir de compras. B. Me gusta ni ir de camping, ni ir de compras. C. No me gusta ni ir de camping, ni ir de compras. So keep in mind that you're going to use no before the verb gustar, and then ni before each of the things you don't like it. So the correct answer is going to be C. Yeah? No me gusta ni ir de camping ni ir de compras. Here you don't see the word ni, so that's why you cannot pick this one. In the other you don't have the word no, so this is the correct one. How do you say you don't like either to go fishing or work? So, me gusta no ir de pesca, no trabajar. No me gusta ni ir de pesca ni trabajar. Me gusta ni ir de pesca ni trabajar. So, how do you say? What is the correct answer? It's gonna be B. No me gusta ni ir de compras ni trabajar. No before the verb gustar, ni before each of the things you don't like. Okay? Thanks for your time. So hope that you enjoy the activity that you have to complete after this video. Bye!